how to fix Disney Plus login or playback errors. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to go ahead and fix that issue. So the first thing you can do is ensure your devices and internet connection are stable. So for that, the thing is you can head over to settings and go over to connections, and from there look out for the Wi-Fi or mobile data that you're connected to and ensure that you have a stable and strong internet connection. You can try testing out other apps or websites on your devices to confirm. And make sure your device is also supported by Disney Plus, or the Disney Plus should be available in your region also. It is not available in every region. Apart from that, you can restart the Disney Plus application itself. If you've opened up the app, you can close it completely. After that, restart it again, and you can even restart your device. Long press on the power button for that, and even your router or your modem. If you're having trouble logging in your Disney Plus when you access your Disney Plus, you may go ahead and try resending the verification code or resetting the password from your login page. You may go ahead and do so, or you can try clearing the cache and data. Long press on the Disney Plus for that. Go to the app info section for that, and from there scroll to the options, go to storage, and from there go ahead and clear the cache and also data, and ensure all the components like HDMI cables are connected correctly. And that is it. You can try uninstalling and reinstalling the app again to ensure that you have a latest version, and if possible try streaming Disney Plus on a different device to see if the problems is specific to your device or the app itself. If everything fails, you can contact Disney Plus customer support for further assistance. So that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.